Today I have for you a short video about what to play when we are bored, but you still want to practice a little. Do you know what a tag game is? You chase someone, and if you succeed in catching him, then he starts to chase others. Let's try something similar on a piano. In this version, one hand will chase another while playing arpeggio. So let's just use a simple D major chord arpeggio. In D major we have D, F sharp and A. I will also take a D from the next octave. So we have 4 notes to use across multiple octaves. And the same with the left hand. D, F sharp, A and the next D. The important thing is to have 2 octaves difference between hands when starting. Other important thing is that both hands play at the same time and at the same speed. Let's do some warm-up with the right hand. I can stay in one place for a little bit, go up, go down, and again stay in one place. The same with the left hand. Up and down. And now both hands. So if I want the left hand to catch the right hand, I will move it 1 octave higher. So now I'm running away. And now the right hand is catching the left and running away. But the left hand can also move while the right hand is moving. This is a great way to practice arpeggios, especially when we are bored with other exercises. Just move your hands across different octaves and try to keep steady rhythm. If you are struggling with arpeggios, here you can find another video about it. Thank you for today and see you next time.